And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this bald hair shaver. As you can see, it has an intelligent travel lock as well as a lock indicator. And step 1, shave long or curly hair to shorten length. And step 2, moving against the direction of the hair growth, shave the rest of the hair with floating foil blades. So let's open this up and see what comes inside of here. Ooh, looks like it's all sealed. Nice, look at that. Wish they all were like that. That's it for the box. It does include a nice little guide telling you all about everything that's included inside of here, as well as, you know, how to use this. If we take off our top here, we have a nice USB charging cable. So it's a standard, like almost all shavers have these, and this one plugs in with USB though. Then there's a little cleaning brush. This will be used to clean out the shaver. And then it looks like just, yeah, make sure nothing's hidden down in there. Nope. So here's the actual shaver. Ooh, very nice feel. Plug it in on the bottom to charge, and a little protective covering just comes right off. So just hold your power button for 3 seconds, and now it's ready to go. So you can see you have 50% battery and your RPMs. Can you turn that up? Oh, you can. 7,500 RPMs. You can go all the way down to 6,500 RPMs. Nice and easy, wow. And so when you're done with this one, nice, you can just slide this right up, and then you're ready to use this one. You probably can't see, but they're definitely moving, and it's kind of nice, compact, all-in-one design there. It'll take about 2 hours to charge and will last for at least 60 minutes. I think that will essentially do it for this bald hair shaver. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.